Finally we have perfect winter here in Sweden, and the road conditions are just great. It's hard-packed snow and the sun is shining. It's -8 degrees Celsius, and it's been so long since we had this kind of weather in Sweden. So I thought I'd go for a drive, and I'm going to make this just a short one. And this topic is going to be about the red warning you get on the trailer. I had this when I picked up the car when I had the heating problems, and as soon as I started to drive from the shop, I got this warning on the display, and it didn't matter if I tried to switch on and off the trailer button, made no difference. We tried to reboot the car also, and that didn't make any difference. So what I heard then was on some models there is an issue with the cable harness and primarily the socket. The sealing for the cables into the socket is of poor quality, and it gets a lot of moist in there, and also the sealing around the lid is a bit weak, so you can get moist in that way also. And since the contact is placed in a very poor place, I would say, the only option is to change the whole cable assembly, and they did that for me, and I'll put the list up on the screen here so you can see what parts were changed, and it solved the problem for me. And what you can do is, if you get this error, you can try to, if you have the ability to have to blow it clean with some compressed air, you can do that. And you can also take some WD-40 and spray on the contacts, see if that helps. If you can't get the system to working by that, you have to take it to shop and have them to replace the assembly. And also, if you do anything like this, the ECU for the towing electrics are probably in some kind of limp mode, so the best is to blow it clean with compressed air, and you can also try to, as I said, use some WD-40 to prevent it from happening again, and just reboot the car, see if it helps. And if not, you have to take it to shop and change the assembly. And the downside with this is, I mean, the warning is not, you can live with that, but the downside is if you get that red warning, it disables the autopilot. So you can't have any full self-driving capabilities at all during this time. So if not for any other reason, and that's the biggest reason to get this fixed as soon as possible. So now I'm going to continue, have some fun in the winter landscape, and see you next time. I'm just going to leave you with this incredible view over the Stockholm or the Swedish archipelago during winter, and yeah, it's just amazing. Few days a year we get this, so just have to take care of it, and most important thing, get out there, be out in this weather. So once again, take care, see you next time.